thing. And see, this is oval shape in there. And that's where these have to go into. These two pins just move over to there, out of the way for a sec. They can just go over to there, out of the way for a sec. Now, then the glue. Put that there. Put that there. It's going to be good. Working one-handed. Now, in that way. I've got the, that's the front where that other pin goes on there. So that has to go into there. That pushes into there. Something I say is in there blocking it from going right through. Right in. Should go right in flat. But that just doesn't. There it goes, I just worked it in. It's right. Now this one. That one's in. Good. Now I'll do the same thing on the other side. Put these four on. Grab this, grab these ones, slip these ones in. And that means this is getting ready to put the axles in. What is here? It'll go in. There we go. It's just a bit tight. But a pushed in. When they push in like that, that's good. Things are tight, they won't go nowhere. Right, that one's in too. Okay, they're in. Right, they're in. Now, I'm just gonna 35. Okay. Just want this for a sec. So I'm just going to put that over there out of the way. I just want to clean these up and scrape them down before I put them on. Before I put these on. Just going to move this out of the way. And these ties over here just out of the way so I know what they are. I know what all this stuff is for. I don't know what it is. Oh, that's right, I've got two little silver things I have to shove on too, so I'm going to get them afterwards. Put this over there. Just going to move this. Just going to put that over there out of the way, just out of the way. I've got two little silver things I need to put on afterwards. Put them on top of the red paint. Top of my red paint. Just want to grab these. Clean them all up and get them all cleaned up before I even get them done. Make sure this is all scraped down so when they go in, that they go in nicely. Nice and neat and tidy. And ties on as well. Yep. So tire sits there. Tire sits there like that. Push it a little bit tighter. Always just like make sure they're through that a little bit more. Like that. I'm just going to get these scraped up first before I put them on. I want to get these four scraped up. want to get these all cleaned up. Get these edges here done. So when I go to put the bands on, they'll stick. Because chrome, they don't stick too well to chrome, this stuff. Just want to get it all up out of the way. Just clean this up out of the way. These cleaned up a little bit.
Christina and I have just spent a lot of money on a house that we're flipping in Anaheim, California. And she's come up with a very expensive design idea for the master bath.
A lot of hotels have full, marble slabs.
Real marble?
Yeah.
And this price?
This knife blade's a bit blunt, I can see that, but it's good because I've slipped and it hasn't gone into my skin.
It'll still give it that glamorous look we're going for, but way less expensive.
How much is that?
It's under $5 a square foot.
We can't do the real marble, not in the budget, but if you think we can put a nice faux marble in that will look really nice, we can do
I
that.
also think we can do the flooring in like a dark gray, that way it pops.
Okay, perfect. So just to be clear though, would you want to put a mosaic in here or just floor to ceiling tile?
No mosaic. I think that
Scrape these down.
floor to ceiling marble.
I know it's a bit of a pain, but it's something that has to be done because otherwise she won't glue for me. Scraping this down. Otherwise a black band will not stick. Do it on the whole lot. I might actually stop this and I'll scrape them.